Hi guys and welcome. My Lovelula box is here and this is weighty. Yeah, but before we dive into this, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. If you would love to join our YouTube family, then hit that subscribe button before you leave. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, make sure you've got the kettle on, you pulled up a chair, and let's go. And also, if you like this style of videos, give them a thumbs up and then I'll keep on going. Yeah, so Lovelula, if you're unfamiliar with Lovelula, it's a natural beauty subscription service. It's every product in here is natural derived, it is organic, cruelty free, vegan, fair trade, ethically sourced. It's amazing. This is my favourite subscription box. I absolutely love it. You never know what you're going to get, which is I like. They don't do any sneak peeks. It's always on time, and to me it's very good value for money. I will link all the details down below and a link to their website, so if you want to go and check it out. This video is not sponsored. I do pay for my subscription with my own money. Yes, and like I said, it's weighty. And when I give you this sneaky peek, it is absolutely jam-packed. Look at that. Yeah, this is an amazing box this month from what I can see. And we have got 6 items, which is amazing. And they are all good sizes, which I like. You always get a little leaflet, which kind of just gives you a really brief kind of outline of what's in the box, which is cool. They give it a value as well, and this box is valued at £52, which is really good value. I like it. You get a code as well, so if you fall in love with the brands in the box, you can get 20% off for the month. This one expires on the 10th of April, which is cool. So let's dive in. We have got a nice large bottle here. This is from the brand Balm Balm. It's 100% organic and it's a super light coconut cleanser. How many mils we got in here? 100 mils. It's a glass bottle, so this is fully recyclable, which is absolutely amazing. I do have a wipe in front of me because I want to try this. I want to spray it on the back of my hand and just see what it smells like. Now this is an oil. Oh, is that coconut? Got a very light coconut fragrance. Look at that. Lovely oil. So what I would do with this was I would use it as my first cleanse. So I would spray it, rub it in, or spray it onto your hands, rub it in, remove all the makeup, and then I always go in with a wipe, a reusable wipe I may add, and yeah, go in with a second cleanser. I like that. I really do like that. I am kind of more into the cleansing balms at the moment, and I've not tried an oil yet, so this will be the first one. And Lovelula have said it's a super light coconut cleanser made from fractionated coconut oil, which is extracted from virgin coconut butter. It's resulting in an incredibly light and gentle oil massaged into skin and removed with a damp muslin cloth for a deep cleanse, which is exactly how I intend to use it. This leaflet looks beautiful this month. So yeah, really pleased with that one. The second item we've got is from the brand Madara, and this is a micellar water with hyaluronic acid. How many mils we got in here? We've got 50 mils. So it's not a huge bottle, but that is enough for you to be able to get a feel for the product, which is cool. It's as if someone would send, you know, a 20 ml bottle. I don't like that, but 50 mils is a good size. So yeah, I'm going to pass this on to my daughter Ellie just because I'm not using micellar waters at the moment. And she does. It's not really a fragrance to it, which is cool. But I really do like the brand Madara. I've used quite a few items from them. And Lovelula have said this award-winning no-rinse cleanser removes impurities and makeup without stripping its natural protective barrier, which is absolutely amazing. You do not want to strip your skin. You'll end up in a lot of trouble otherwise, and you'll get quite sore. It balances, hydrates and soothes the skin in one simple step, leaving it clean, fresh and silky smooth, which is absolutely fabulous. Now the next 3 items are a 3-step process. So yeah, I had to Google this because I've not used anything like this before. So yeah, that is a little disclaimer there. And we have got the Ayumi Bioactive Growth Hair Oil, and it says encourage a healthy scalp and promote long, luscious hair growth. This is vegan, cruelty-free. We have got 150 mils, but we will get back to this in a minute. We have got the Ayumi Argan and Sandalwood Conditioner. And we've also got the Argan and Sandalwood Shampoo. It's all from Ayumi, the same brand. How many mils in these bottles? I can't see. 50 mils. So these aren't huge bottles, but they are a good size for you to be able to get a feel for the product. I have looked at the full size of these and they are really reasonably priced, so that's cool. If I fall in love with these, I will probably pick them back up. So I'm going to refer to my phone because I've got a hair oil, and the way they recommend you using it is a bit strange to me. So it says apply to the hair strands and massage into the scalp in a stimulating circular motion for 15 to 20 minutes. So I don't know if they mean you massage it for 15 to 20 minutes or you leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. I will try. I think I will get arm ache if I did it for 15 to 20 minutes. And then it says you would then go in with your shampoo and conditioner and wash it away. Or to have the maximum effect of this hair growth oil, it's best to leave it overnight, allowing the oil to penetrate the hair and scalp. And it says use 2 to 3 times a week and wash and rinse. So I was thinking about leaving it on overnight, and then because I shower every morning anyway, get up in the morning, shower. So yes, I've ordered myself a nice little shower cap that I can wear to bed because I do not want to get this all over my pillowcases. Yeah, it's got a nice little kind of cap on the top so you can kind of squeeze it out like a baby oil kind of thing. But I just want to give this, oh, it's sealed. I want to give it a sniff. Oh, that smells absolutely beautiful. It's kind of got like a very natural kind of aniseed note to it. Oh, and I think I can smell the sandalwood. Oh, I'm going to love that. So yeah, I will use it over time, and I will get back to you in the future to let you know if it does anything to promote the hair growth. So yeah, really, really pleased with these 3. That's absolutely fabulous. A whole 3-step program is really cool. And the last item we have got is from the brand Sultry, and I can't pronounce this, I do apologise. Ayurvedic mascara. So we got a makeup item. I think this is in shade, yeah, pure black. This is full size, which is amazing. And the mascaras that I have received in the past from Lovelula were absolutely amazing. I loved them. I fell in love with the Inika mascara. Here is what the packaging looks like. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to open this up and show you what the wand looks like. There's 6 grams. Because I'm going to pop this in my everyday makeup drawer and give it a go. I just can't wait. Oh, that's a good wand. I like that. And it doesn't look like the formula is over thick. Doesn't really smell of anything. It smells like a pencil, which is really strange. I like children's pencils or colouring pencils. That's what that kind of smells like. Yeah, I'm itching to give that a go. I do like trying new mascaras. And Lovelula have said it's lightweight and doesn't clump for a natural everyday look. It strengthens and nourishes lashes with castor oil, black seed oil and aloe vera while making them look beautiful and elongated. A must have for your makeup bag. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying it. It probably sounds like the formula it won't flake, but I've got a feeling it might smudge, but I will give it a go. Yeah, so I will definitely update you with this in the future. So yeah, we have now got 1 empty box, which I just need to take my head off with. So let's run through. We have got the Sultry mascara, absolutely fabulous. Looking forward to trying that. We have got the 3-step hair set, really, from Ayumi. So we've got the Bioactive Growth Hair Oil. We have got the Argan and Sandalwood Conditioner and the Argan and Sandalwood Shampoo. Really, really happy with those. We have got the Madara Micellar Water, which I'm going to pass on to my daughter. But yeah, I will ask her how she gets on with it because she loves the micellar water. And I have got the Balm 100% organic super light coconut cleanser, which I'm really looking forward to trying. Now, guys, I'm overwhelmed with this box this month. I think it's absolutely amazing. Like I said, I do love Lovelula, but this one was a really good one. So yeah, Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this box, and if you get this box, have you tried any of the products yet? How are you getting on with them? I love hearing from you guys, I really do. So yeah, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.